So here we're going to have some fun and take a look at your whole kit, go through all of the different techniques for the acrylic nails and gel and all of the different types, and so that you become familiar with what's inside all these lovely bags. So first of all, let's take a look at the Practice Trainer hand, just in the box, but in the box is the hand that will fit and adjust on your table, and those are the reusable aluminum forms. Just use those for the trainer hands because the sticky forms will not stick to the rubber fingers. There's also 100 replaceable nail tips in there that you will reuse for all of your different assignments, and you'll complete them right there on the trainer hand. Now, the next kit is a nail artistry kit, and it has your foil, rolls of foil. It's a nice kit that's in there. It has your nail artistry brushes. It has the foil adhesive bonder, which only works with that foil. And then it has some decals. And yes, there's the kit there. It has some really nice transparent and full coverage foils. And then those are applied with the cellophane foil adhesive and some nail wrap in the lace treatments, and they are really gorgeous. And a little finger rest for doing your clients' nails on and working with the nail artistry. Also a nail art disc for practicing on or putting on your really nice collections. Now this is the other nail artistry bag that is full jam-packed with lots of different little products. So in here are the magnetic gel polishes. It's the cat eye effect that you can do, and I'll be doing a new tutorial on this that'll be included. So your magnetic tools are in there. These gives a really fabulous new effect, very luminescent. They look great in the sunlight, and you have, I think, one of the Russian colors, or the red or the blue, and I do carry now at KBI store all of the different colors. There's a double-ended dotting tool. There's some crystal pixies, and there's marbleizing ink to do that marble effect. And then you have our famous UV top coat. It is like a nail art sealer that dries instantly without a gel light, or you can dry it instantly under the LED light. So 3 minutes without the light, which is great for using for all of your gemstones because it's sticky and tacky. They won't slide off, and then they stay very secure with that nail artistry top coat. You got some gemstones. You have some crushed shells, some polyflakes, some confetti, glitter, dust. Oh, and this is the new spider gel. It makes fabulous web-like and perfect striping on your nail artistry design. So that's new, and I do carry that in almost every shade as well. So that's a fun tool to start to use. Then the Pro Kit has a set of gel nail polishes, as well as a nail artistry palette that you can mix your colors in. And then these are French tip forms, like liners, to help you perfect that French tip line. Also, you'll be able to learn how to do it with my tricks and techniques freehand. Your manicuring bowl. And then this is our manicuring bag with all of your tools. So you have here a cuticle remover, you have the disinfectant spray, which you can use on their hands and their nails before all of your treatments, a manicuring brush, and then you have some natural nail base treatments, a sticky base coat, and cuticle oil. These are fabulous because they will help their polish to adhere better to their natural nail. And then cuticle nippers, and then as well your cuticle pusher, which are your manicuring implement tools. Then we have a set of clear nail artistry tips, which are great for doing those encapsulated nail techniques with acrylic and gel. And then a nail glue is in there to attach them. And also a nail tip cutter which is really handy to trim off those long nail tips extensions and get them down to the perfect length. One of the best professional, made in the USA, under warranty, pedicuring and manicuring and finishing and prepping acrylic and gel nails. So this comes with 14 drill bits, plus in the Super Saver kit, we add on the ceramic and the carbide kit. So that's a great e-file for you to get started with. Later on, you might want to add on just an e-file for acrylic drilling so that you can do whole sets. You have a bottle of acetone, which is used for removal of gel nails and acrylic nails. This is the soaking dish, which is resistant to the acetone. So you fill it with acetone and you can soak their fingers in there to dissolve off product and nails. This is your sterilizing kit. Your tray has a box with the formula that you're going to mix up. Watch that video on how to do sanitation. And then you have some fancy little glass jars for your polymer and your monomer, which is your acrylic powder and liquids. This is the odorless kit. There's also, you could choose a regular Omega kit, which is a quick set. And this is the gel, the building gel, as well as the poly gel kit. So those two products. This is the Gelish Dip Resin and Acrylic Kit, which is one of the newest products ever, and it's a great finishing nail enhancement for you to learn as well. I hope you've enjoyed this Super Saver reveal. Good luck to you, and I can't wait to see all of your work. Now we also have another set of full well natural colored nail tips. So those are very good and strong on making nail tip extensions. Your client record cards. On the front, you get all the info. On the back, you chart each day that they come in, your services, and what you did on them. The front is important for highlighting what kind of services that they usually like to get and their color preferences, birth date, and what you are going to be doing on them. Then we have our pedicuring kit. If you added that on, the Foot to Go products are very, very good. The tools, that's a nice case that has all of your pedicuring implements, special clippers for the toenails that go along with the Gina Professional Pedicure Spa products. Then we have the electric file, which is a manicure pedicure Pedinova professional manicuring e-file, and it is